she was plucking young nettles. She scarce saw me coming. I listened a while to the song she was humming. Glory, oh, glory, oh, to our bold Fenian men.
Irishmen and Irish women, in the name of God and of the dead generations from which she received her old tradition of nationhood, Ireland, through us, summons her children to her flag and strikes for her freedom. In this supreme hour, the Irish nation must, by its valor and discipline, and by the readiness of its children to sacrifice themselves for the common good, prove itself worthy of the august destiny to which it is called.
As we gather in the chapel here in old Kilmainham jail, I think about these past few weeks. Oh, will they say we failed from our school days? They have told us we must yearn for liberty. Yet all I want in this dark place is to have you here with me. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn and I will die. With all my love, I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Now I know it's hard for you, my love, to ever understand the love I bear for these brave men, my love for this dear land. But when Parry called me to his side down in the GPO, I had to leave my own sick bed. To him I had to go.
One, ready, aim.
Hello Eamon, kif tu?
My border.
Onion Harisha.
Kinship. Ireland's freedom is more important to me than myself.
Prisoner, out, turn. Squad, ready, aim.
Signed on behalf of the provisional government, Thomas J. Clark. Sean, thank you.